What's up, everybody on YouTube, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today we are going to be filming my wife opening up her Mother's Day, which I asked her if she liked Septile, Unbroken Bonds, or Typhlosion, Unbroken Bonds. So she said that she liked Septile, so we're going to give it to her. Now, keep in mind, my wife's a little moody because she's pregnant, and she looks at me and goes, "Did you buy me Pokemon shit?" You know me better than that. You know I did. So guys, we're going to give this to her, let her open it for you guys. Now, the codes that she does get out of the packs will be hers. I do apologize, but that's why we got a second one for open up for you guys, so I can give you all the codes, but these are going to be hers. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to let her open this box, the package, and let's see what we get out of blister packs. You decent. What you doing? What you eating?
You don't want to know how many calories is in that Reese's.
You are so busted.
200 calories?
Uh-huh.
That's 200 calories? 400 calories, and I ate 2 of those yesterday.
Yeah.
2 packs.
And you're pregnant?
Yeah.
Baby in there?
Baby Scarlet.
Yeah. So I told everybody, you know, you're a little moody. And see, don't kill me.
I knew you'd find me Pokemon shit.
It's a blister pack. It's supposed to be the best ones out. That's why I asked you if you like Typhlosion or, you know.
I don't even know those Pokemon. I went off of appearances.
Yeah, but you can read the card itself. So you get 3 packs.
Did they get my code?
No.
I'm going to use it before this video posts anyways. It's my code.
That's dirty. So,
I got a fancy new coin.
you get Septile. Septile's awesome because you got Power of Nature. I think you'll like that ability. That's her code. Remember, guys, I told you guys that she will be keeping all of her codes.
Sorry.
For her account. Yep.
TCG lover.
But, guys, the ones that I pull out of mine, y'all can have.
I might be generous and give you 1. I haven't decided yet. Only if it's.
No, I'm gonna let you keep them.
White.
I'm gonna let you keep them. That one's white, so
GX.
Or a hollow.
Nigga, it don't matter if y'all see them or not. They are redeemed. Sorry, I'm an ass.
Yeah, apparently.
Is it 3 or 4?
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, one more. Put it in the front. There you go.
Pull from here?
No. Turn it over. There you go.
Energy. Metapod. What? Oh.
Focus Trap. That's a good one.
I've had that used on me a couple times now.
Dust Island.
Sorry, I was reading. I'm a reader.
Clefairy.
Poliwag.
Pickens.
Drowsy. Pikachu. Oh, that one's cute. Froakie. Porygon Z. Special Energy deck. That's nice. Sorry, you guys. I'm not as neat and lovely as my husband sometimes.
Nope, but it is hollow. So that's good. And it's got crazy code. As long as often is light during your turn, you may attach a special energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon. That's something you may like.
Yeah.
As many times as you want.
I just said a special energy deck. Oh, this one's green. Lame. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. Energy. Cleffa. Giovanni's Exile. I had this in my deck for the longest time on TCG, and I ended up having to take it out because I only had one, and by the time I pulled it, I didn't need it anymore. Graveler, Seal, Bellsprout, Ghastly, Carvanha, Topig. This used to be my favorite Pokemon because I was in love with Misty growing up. Togepi, whatever. Meowth. It's a catter day. That's me every day. Meowstic.
Yeah, I like that card.
Oh, yeah, look. The defending Pokemon weakness is now Psych until the end of your next turn. That would go really good in my Mewtwo deck right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully you put one in the codes.
That's what I'm saying. If I could get that card, I'd put it in there and replace it with that stupid card I got in there right now.
Last pack, you guys. Let's hope she pulls a Rainbow Rare.
I know for sure I got a Grubbin. Sorry.
Ice cream. Never know, though.
I mean, I got excited about the Meowstic. Energy. What the?
I can never pronounce the name.
Pikachu on steroids.
Fire Crystal.
Weeping Bell. What?
Grubbin. Ghastly. Gligar.
That looks...
I like Gligar.
That looks like a different Pokemon. It almost looks like a Meowth. If you take
really.
well, if you take in the eyes.
Take the pink off the clothes off.
Shut up. It reminds me of a different Pokemon.
Spiritomb.
Yeah, because Dodo.
Dodo.
Dodo. Word turtle. What?
Nice. Reverse hollow.
It is
like
very
that.
pretty. Quagsire.
We got a couple of those.
You know what, though? Even though it takes 3 energy,
That's a good hitter.
it's got a good HP, too. It can withstand some of those GXs.
So, guys, she is a TCG competitor now. You can find her at Mama 6416. And go ahead and friend her on there. She is a hard hitter with her Mewtwo deck. She's got a couple other ones like her Lapras deck and that she's working on. But she is starting to do competitive battling now. So be careful because she is quick to get up and take the match when she can. So, guys, if you want, go ahead and friend her now. I will put her name down in the description below.
That butt.
Yeah, but she has not defeated me yet.
That's a lie.
You defeated me when we did Expanded. You have not defeated me in Standard yet.
That doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
So, guys, I will put my name down up under below that way you can friend me as well. So, we got very good pulls so far. I'm very happy with the fact that what she got. So, she's going to actually scan these codes on her TCG account, and then she's going to see what she gets out of them. And when she does, she will comment down below what she got out of there. If she got any kind of Rainbow Rares, any kind of GXs.
Really nice.
So, yeah. So, the pregnancy thing is really showing. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll speak to you again soon. And don't forget to watch my video on my booster pack opening. Thanks, guys.